Hey Beauty Cats, it's Jessicat here from Jessicat's Medi-Spa. I'm here with the lovely Ashleigh from
the Australian Dermal and Laser Institute.
Over the last 2 days I have been training with Ashleigh on a Plasma Fibroblast device. This device is fantastic in tightening parts of the face or falls in the skin which are a little stubborn. Okay, so once we've thickened and lifted and tightened the skin, made sure it's thick and healthy, then we would perform a treatment with the Plasma Fibroblast therapy in order to give the skin that extra lift. It's also fantastic for stubborn fine lines and wrinkles and other conditions like melia. But Ashleigh is going to talk a little bit about the therapy today and explain it far better than I can.
Okay, so the treatment uses a arc, so what we also call like a little lightning bolt to the skin, and what we're actually causing is a micro crusting, so carbon residue to the skin. So these are predominantly in like little small dots towards the skin. We work around the wrinkles, we can do eye lifts and lip lifts and things like that as well. Very popular with smokers' lines and of course crow's feet, and we do that, and we have technically a treatment about 3 months after we have the first treatment, but the results after the first one are phenomenal. And yeah,
Say that again.
Yeah, phenomenal. The treatments work really great for those really stubborn areas. And especially popular with as everything starts to head south. Yes. We have done the treatment on cats, so around the lip area, and these micro crusts will fall off in about 5 to 10 days.
As you can see, I've got the little dots, which are a telltale sign that I've had a treatment, and they are carbon crusting.
Okay.
And that'll take about 5 to 10 days.
Yeah, and they will fall off. Treatment is relatively painless. We do use numbing with that, so it does take away the pain factor as well.
I found it so comfortable.
Yeah, it is pretty comfortable. Around the eyes, some swelling is definitely a very common occurrence with the eye area, and this can last up to 3 days as well, but that all resides and goes down quite quickly. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So it's a non-invasive.
It's non-invasive facelift. So without going to surgery, without getting put on an anaesthetic or anything like that, come in for your treatment, have a few days of downtime, and the results are there to show.
The therapy also treats vascular lesions?
So we can do vascular lesions, so your spider veins, your cherry angiomas, or most commonly known as blood moles or cherry moles, and we can also do acne treatments and things like that as well.
Oh wow, yeah. That's pretty fantastic. What are your thoughts on the type of skin that we would treat? Would we treat quite aged, thinning skin?
So you would still want to be able to prep the skin. So if they are very thinning, you'd want to maybe do some other treatments as well. Every condition is going to be different, and every client is going to be different. So obviously going through and everything like that. But if they do have those the smoker's lines, the crow's feet, the frown lines, it's going to be perfect. Yeah,
beautiful. So it's important to keep thick, healthy skin
Still, everything needs to work from underneath to come through. So obviously working with every single layer of our skin to make sure it's healthy and at its best.
That's right. We can't just go in and fix it all if
it's
we've
not
taken care of the base.
Yeah, and one treatment just won't give you the results that you need.
That's it. So we have to look after our skin from within.
Yes.
And keep it nice and thick and healthy. Yeah. And then go after those dramatic end results.
Yes, we do. Yeah,
beautiful.
The polishing.
The polishing.
Yes.
So it's been fantastic to train with Ashleigh. I'm so lucky to have the opportunity to be trained by somebody as knowledgeable as Ashleigh and her team. And I really look forward to sharing results with you. And now we're going to ask Ashleigh to give a big row to sign off. Row! See you guys.
Bye.